1-minute briefing before you start, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please. This is a press conference. We are calling to pass a vote of confidence on the Chief of Naval Staff. You all are aware of the media report, unsubstantiated media report about allegation of $170 million bribe allegedly collected by the Chief of Naval Staff. No, don't somebody may come in. So don't. So, please, we are here to address the press so that they know the stand of our group. Good afternoon. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, Thursday, 1st February 2024, the coalition of South East APC support groups is here for a very important press conference. And it goes this way. Coalition of South East APC support groups passed vote of confidence on the Chief of Naval Staff, Rear Admiral Emmanuel Ogalla. Last week, some online media platforms had alleged that preliminary investigations estimated that the Naval Chief had accepted over $170 million bribes over the past 6 months. We at the Coalition of Southeast APC support groups described the allegation as baseless, unfounded, and handiwork of frustrated cabals and syndicate hitherto involved in stealing and making Nigeria's crude oil dry. These allegations are dead on arrival and a calculated attempt to paint the towering image of the Naval Chief black. Recall that the Naval Chief, Rear Admiral Emmanuel Ogalla, after taking office, launched the popular and efficient Operation Delta Sanity in the Nigerian Navy. Since the launching of the Operation Delta Sanity, many people from across government circles and within the Niger Delta region have been commending the activities of the anti-corruption mechanism set up by the Naval Chief. You are aware that whenever a system is being sanitized, some disgruntled elements within the system who were benefiting from the corrupt system would always want to fight back. And that is the situation we find ourselves today. The Operation Delta Sanity is a strategy initiated by the Chief of Naval Staff in his avowed commitment to reposition the Nigerian Navy and provide the personnel with necessary equipment to combat crime and other corrupt practices in the system. As laughable as the allegations are, even the Nigerian Navy Authority in their reactions to the syndicated allegations revealed that all the vessels alleged to have been released, which were the basis of the purported $170 million said to have been received by the Naval Chief in bribes, are as at today still in their custody and currently undergoing investigation. You now ask, if the basis for the allegation, which is the arrested vessels, are still in the naval custody, what then is the noise all about? The Naval Chief is a fine gentleman who came from a background of excellence, competence, integrity, and high discipline. He deserves all the necessary support for him to succeed in office and not smear campaign of calumny. We therefore call on the Chief of Naval Staff, Rear Admiral Emmanuel Ogalla, to disregard the machinations of the evil ones who are hell-bent on distracting him from achieving his set goals of fighting crude oil theft and illegal oil bunkering to a standstill. The coalition of Southeast APC support groups hereby pass a vote of confidence on the leadership of the Chief of Naval Staff, Rear Admiral Emmanuel Ogalla, as we wish him well in his discharge of his duties in line with the renewed hope agenda of the President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration. This is the first time in 10 years that an Igbo man is being appointed as a service chief, and any attempt at muzzling him out of office will be highly resisted by this group. We commend His Excellency President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu for giving Igbo a sense of belonging once again. when you look at the allegations or the purported $770 million allegation, you will find out that the allegation one is unfounded. How can you say that somebody collected a bribe to release a vessel that is already, that is still in the custody of the Naval Command? That is number one thing that will equally show you that the allegation is unfounded. We are not here to defend corruption. If anybody is found wanting in corrupt practices, he should go in for it. But having looked at all the issues surrounding these very particular allegations, they are baseless, they are unfounded, and they cannot be defended anywhere as to be true of the matter. So the Naval Command has come out openly to bring all the facts indicating that the vessels that they seized, that they are saying that he collected bribe for, are still in their custody. So how will you not say he has collected bribe and released it when it is already in the custody? So you saying that we are coming to defend only him, the coalition of South East APC support group is a bipartisan group in the sense that we are not for any particular person. What we are for is for the good governance of the country, for justice, equity, and fairness. We are not the only group that have taken side either for or against the Naval Chief. So coming here to tell me that we should have waited, I think other groups should equally wait. See, this is politics. This is Nigeria. No other group, no section of this country is more influential or more powerful or more peculiar to say that they own Nigeria more than any other section. So please.
No, it's like you're not getting my question.
No, I got your question. You said we should have allowed other people who are not from the Southeast. You said so. Okay. We have a right to air our opinion, and that is what we have done. That is what we have done. Like I said during my press conference, we said we are not supporting corruption. Anybody found wanting, you didn't hear that angle too. Found wanting, you should go in for it. We said it.
Pure.
So when you are accusing somebody, and in your allegation, you said that the person has already released the vessels and collected bribe. Meanwhile, the allegation you are talking about, the vessel you are talking about, is still at their custody. So what point are you making? Please, gentlemen, let's say the truth in this country. It will save us. It will save us. We will not, like we said in the part of our press release, we will not, this group, we will not allow faceless individuals, cabals, to muzzle this man out of office when he's innocent. That is our position. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.